ladies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BlendedByDee, and I'm back with another video. So I've been lying to y'all. If I said I've been consistent, it's been a month since I uploaded. Y'all get on this channel and lie every day, because I tell y'all I'm gonna be consistent, but nobody talks about how YouTube is so like making content is like very time consuming. It takes a lot of your time. Like, I'm in a relationship, I work, I do stuff. Like, y'all, like, making content is like super time consuming. But I'm here, I'm back. We back better than ever, and I'm looking good, okay? And it's nice UNicehair, so I'm definitely going to be doing a review for you guys. Love this hair. Definitely great for fall purposes, Halloween purposes. Y'all see my little Halloween makeup, my little spider web. It's so cute, y'all. Like, oh my god, I love this color on me. It's just to die for. So yeah, definitely run and go get it, and tell UNice that BlendedByDee sent you. So this is the packaging that I received. Isn't this super cute? Like, I love this color. Like, look at this color. Okay, so I said I'm gonna start talking on camera, y'all, because doing voiceovers is just oof. And my bestie told me that I need to come back and put my personality back on here. So I'm gonna talk in this video today, and this is super cute, y'all. So I always see UNice, I think it's UNice. I always see UNice everywhere over YouTube, Instagram, and this is my first collab with them, and I'm super excited. So this is the container that it came in. Super cute. So we got some goodies. So this is the wig. We'll come back to that. Let's look at the goodies. Let's what's in here. This is super cute. Let's see. So it came with a wig band. Okay, always need a good wig band. Came with a melt band. Definitely needed one of them. Some lashes. Ooh, these are big too. These are cute. We have to try these for real. Yeah, did they send me a roll? Oh, this is so cute. I'm gonna go put this on. Let me see, honey. Let me see. Not a robe. Honey. And it's pink and it's silk. Okay, UNice with the goodie. Isn't this freaking robe so freaking cute? Like, so let's see. Oh, I'm loving this color. First of all, like, get into the color. Let's see here. Ooh, it's gonna be bad. It's gonna be. Y'all, first of all, look at the freaking volume. Look at the length. Look at the color. Like, this color is so gorgeous. Oh, I know it's gonna be so cute. Let's look at the lace. Peep out the lace. And the lace is a Swiss lace. I think it's a 13x4. Pretty sure it's a 13x4. And it's super cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and go bleach the knots on this wig and go do my plucking, and I'm gonna be back. Okay, y'all, so I went ahead and did my makeup and everything off camera, and I showed y'all already. I had already plucked and did the hairline of the wig. You guys, this wig was super big head friendly. I mean, super big, like overly big. So, you know, we're gonna make it work. But so now I'm just gonna be, you know, getting my glue ready to lay the wig on. So of course I'm just gonna be using my even spray and just spraying that 3 times over across, doing 3 layers, of course, per the normal install. I'm just gonna be taking my handy dandy blow dryer. Y'all like my spider web? A little Halloween makeup. I am never prepared. Alright, I'm just gonna be cutting the back piece off. So we want. Like I said, y'all, it's big head friendly for real, so I gotta do it side. Okay, so I went ahead and fast forward through this part, y'all, because like I said, this wig was super big, so I had to, you know, make some adjustments, but it was definitely really pretty. Like, I really love this color. So yeah, this is just me applying the wig onto the glue, and yep. Stick and making my part. Of course. Yeah, this be taking my curling on. Had to make sure it's hot. Got another little fingertips. And just doing that. I don't know where my hot comb at. But we're gonna make it work. Just need a little heat. Alright, so now I'm just styling in here. I'm just gonna be putting some big curls in it, y'all. This curl on so old. I had to make it work. I had to make it work. But yes, ladies, I'm just gonna style her hair or whatever. It's so cute. Big hair, so just gonna do a little curl, pull them out. All right, it's time to cut this lace off. So I'm gonna do my. I also fast forward through this part too because y'all seen me cut my lace plenty of times. Y'all know, just cut the slits on the side and in the middle and cut side by side. I don't think I'm gonna put any baby hairs in this wig because I definitely like how it looked without it. Hopefully it melted. Ooh, ooh. I have to redo that side. But it looked good. Okay, ladies, this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure you tell a friend to come and join my channel. And yeah, we'll see you ladies later.